Welcome to our cooking tutorial. Today we're making a delicious and healthy quinoa and black bean salad. You'll need 1 cup quinoa, 2 cups water, 1 can black beans, rinsed and drained, 1 red bell pepper, chopped, 1 cup corn kernels, 1/4 cup chopped red onion, 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, juice of 2 limes, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. First, rinse the quinoa under cold water to remove any bitterness. In a medium saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the quinoa, reduce the heat, cover, and let it simmer for 15 minutes. For perfect quinoa, let it sit covered for an additional 5 minutes after cooking. Combining perfectly cooked quinoa with fresh ingredients elevates our salad to a whole new level. Next, let's combine our ingredients. In a large bowl, mix the cooked quinoa, black beans, chopped red bell pepper, corn kernels, chopped red onion, and cilantro until well combined. Here's a pro tip for even mixing. Use a large spoon and fold the ingredients gently, ensuring each morsel is evenly coated. This step is crucial to blend all the flavors beautifully. Remember, gentle folding helps maintain texture and prevents any ingredients from getting squished. Let's now move on to creating a perfect dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the juice of 2 limes, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt, and pepper to taste. For a balanced dressing, always taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. This dressing brings all the flavors together in our quinoa and black bean salad. Pour the dressing over the quinoa mixture and toss to coat evenly. Your quinoa and black bean salad is ready to serve. Enjoy it as a main dish or a side. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please share, like, and subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes.